Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best nail rhinestones is probably one of the most versatile and dazzling nail art supplies available today, allowing you to transform your manicure from simple to stunning with a wide array of shapes, sizes, colors, and finishes to choose from. Whether you are a seasoned nail artist or a beginner, this video will guide you through everything you need to know about selecting and applying rhinestones for a professional-looking finish. Number 5. Makartt Nail Glue Gel. It features a brush and pen tip, perfect for both large areas and tiny details. This makes applying it precisely and cleanly a breeze, even for beginners. It offers a super strong hold that keeps your nail art secure for at least 2 weeks. This ensures your rhinestones and other decorations stay in place, even with daily wear. The dual applicator makes it easy to apply the glue exactly where you need it. This ensures your nail art looks flawless and professional. Made from natural resin and certified by MSDS, it's vegan, cruelty-free, and gentle on your nails. You can enjoy beautiful nail art without worrying about harsh chemicals. First, spread it onto your nails using the brush. Then, add your rhinestones, cure with an LED lamp, and fill any gaps with the pen tip before curing again. Finish with a top coat for extra protection. What we like? It features a unique dual-tipped applicator for both large and small areas. This ensures your rhinestones stay in place for weeks, even with an active lifestyle. If you value precision and long-lasting hold, this is the perfect choice for your nail art needs. What people say. Makartt Nail Rhinestone Glue is a must-have for nail art enthusiasts seeking durability and precision. This super strong formula ensures rhinestones stay securely in place, resisting day-to-day wear and tear. Its easy application makes creating intricate designs a breeze, offering professional-looking results right at home. Value for money: great quality for adding gems, rhinestones, or jewels to nails. Very thick for 3D designs, not runny, overall very functional. This is by far the best glue for nail charms, pearls, or any kind of texture. Just a small dab goes a long way and lasts longer than the nail does, lol. The texture is thick and really easy to work with. Dries super quick, which for me is within 30 seconds, so depending on the kind of lamp what you have, it's fast drying time. Number 4. Makartt Nail Rhinestone Glue. This super strong gel nail glue is perfect for all your nail art needs. It's designed to securely hold rhinestones, gems, and other decorations, keeping your design sparkling for weeks. Whether you have natural nails, acrylics, or press-ons, this glue works wonders. It's incredibly sticky, ensuring your nail art stays put. The convenient tube design makes application a breeze. Squeeze out just the amount you need, no spills or messes. With proper curing, it creates dazzling nail art that lasts for at least 2 weeks. Get ready for compliments. Made with natural resin, it's vegan, cruelty-free, and has no harsh odor. It's safe for your skin and nails. Simply apply the glue to your nail, add your rhinestones, and cure with an LED lamp for about 3 minutes. For larger stones, add extra glue to the base for extra security. What we like? This one boasts a super strong hold that keeps your nail art looking flawless. The convenient tube design makes application mess-free and easy. If you need a no-fuss, long-lasting adhesive, this is your best bet. What people say. Makartt Nail Rhinestone Glue is a must-have for nail art enthusiasts seeking durability and precision. This super strong formula ensures rhinestones stay securely in place, resisting day-to-day wear and tear. Its easy application makes creating intricate designs a breeze, offering professional-looking results right at home. Value for money: great quality for adding gems, rhinestones, or jewels to nails. Very thick for 3D designs, not runny, overall very functional. This is by far the best glue for nail charms, pearls, or any kind of texture. Just a small dab goes a long way and lasts longer than the nail does, lol. The texture is thick and really easy to work with. Dries super quick, which for me is within 30 seconds, so depending on the kind of lamp what you have, it's fast drying time. Number 3. HUETFAT Nail Rhinestone Kit. This kit is perfect for creating stunning nail art. It includes everything you need to add some sparkle to your look. These rhinestones are made from high-quality K9 glass, ensuring a brilliant shine that lasts. Their beautiful cuts and iridescent AB color will make your nails dazzling. The kit contains approximately 2,400 rhinestones in 6 sizes, a wax pencil for easy application, and tweezers for precise placement. Everything is neatly organized in a convenient storage box. Applying these gems is a breeze. Simply use the wax pencil and tweezers to place them onto your nails, creating endless design possibilities. Use them for nail art, phone cases, clothing, or any other craft project you can imagine. The possibilities are truly endless. With a variety of sizes and a popular iridescent AB color, you can create unique and eye-catching designs. Let your creativity shine. What we like. This kit offers a massive variety of sizes and a huge quantity of rhinestones. It includes helpful tools for easy application, making it perfect for beginners and pros alike. If you need a complete kit with everything you need, this is the one for you. What people say. These are nice and sparkly even though they aren't glass. I love this rhinestones to do my own nails at home. It came with a lot and they are so shiny. They are durable and they don't lose their shine. They're shiny and easy to manage. I love that they have 2 different colors of the gems. They come with 5 different sizes as well. You can achieve extraordinary results with these gems. The gems still look brand new. I got a lot of compliments in the last couple of weeks since having them on. Number 2. BELLEBOOST Multi-Shapes 3D Crystal Kit. Let's open this amazing kit. Inside, you'll find a variety of rhinestones in different shapes and sizes, perfect for all your creative needs. These aren't your average rhinestones. They're made of premium glass with a stunning, long-lasting sparkle. From nail art to jewelry making, the possibilities are endless. Use them to decorate almost anything you can imagine. The included pen and tweezers make applying even the tiniest rhinestones a breeze. It's perfect for both beginners and professionals. The handy compartments keep everything neatly organized and prevent mixing. You'll always find exactly what you need. With this complete kit, you have everything you need to unleash your creativity and add some serious sparkle to your projects. What we like. This kit stands out with its diverse shapes and sizes of rhinestones. The included tools make application a breeze. If you're looking for variety and convenience, this kit is ideal for expressing your creativity. What people say. The stones do glisten nicely and are encased in a very sturdy clear compact case with individual numbered sections, so you open the lid for number stone you need. When I tell you it is sturdy, you will definitely keep this and reuse it. These rhinestones are very sparkly and very pretty. The shapes have an opalish hue and they sparkle so pretty. Number 1. Mr. Pen Rhinestone Kit. Elevate your crafting and beauty game with this versatile rhinestone kit. It's perfect for adding sparkle to any project. Inside, you'll find 2,000 dazzling rhinestones, a precision tweezer, and a handy pickup pen. Everything you need to get started is included. These aren't just any rhinestones. They're made of high-quality glass crystal, boasting multiple facets for maximum shine and brilliance. The included tweezer and pen make placing even the tiniest rhinestones a breeze. Its tapered tips provide a secure grip for precise placement. From nail art and face gems to phone cases and hair accessories, the possibilities are endless. Let your creativity shine. This kit includes a mix of rhinestone sizes, ensuring you have the perfect fit for any project, big or small. The high-quality stainless steel tweezer is built to last, ensuring years of precise rhinestone placement. What we like. This kit provides a large quantity of rhinestones and essential tools for easy application. It's versatile enough for various crafting projects beyond nails. If you need a large supply for multiple projects, this is a great value option. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.